Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Faisalabad from Dar-e-Arqam school. How are you, students? I hope you'll be fine in the best condition of health and iman. We also fine, alhamdulillah. Students, it's English reading period. Are you ready? It's your English book? Good. Now take out English book from your bag. Open the page number 26 and it's my 8th lecture of English. Unit number 20 and page number 26. The topic of this page is vegetables. Vegetables. We eat many vegetables. They are good for our health. We eat many vegetables. They are good for our health. Listen, look and read. Listen, look and read. Cabbage. Cabbage. Cabbage is a green. Cabbage is a green. It is good for bones. It is good for bones. Tomato. Tomato. Tomato is red. Tomato is red. It is good for skin. It is good for skin. Cucumber. Cucumber. Cucumber is a green. Cucumber is green. It keeps you cool. It keeps you cool. Carrot. Carrot. Carrot is a red. It is good for eyes. Carrot. Carrot is a red. It is good for eyes. Potato. Potato. Potato is healthy. Potato is healthy. I like to eat potato. I like to eat potato. Corn. Corn. Corn is yellow. Corn is yellow. It is good for brain. It is good for brain. Students, repeat this page with me. Good. Cabbage. Cabbage is green. It is good for bones. Tomato. Tomato is red. It is good for skin. Cucumber. Cucumber is green. It keeps you cool. It keeps you cool. Carrot. Carrot is a red. It is good for eyes. It is good for eyes. Potato. Potato. Potato is a healthy. I like to eat potato. Corn. Corn. Corn is a yellow. It is good for brain. It is good for brain. Students, look at the below. There is an activity. Help. Help the monkey to find its food. Help the monkey to find its food. There are 3 things: banana, snake and bone. And monkey like bone? No. Snake? No. Banana? Yes. There is numbering 1 and 2. Now we find the way of its food. Yes. No. Monkey like mango. We select the way number 3 and trace the line on the way and we find its fruit. Banana. Yes. Good students. Now open the page number 27 Students, yes, good. Open the page number 27 and number 21. And topic of this page is use of has and have. Use of has and have. We use have with he, she, it and singular noun. We use has, he, she, it and singular nouns. On the page number 27, we use here has. Listen, look and read. Listen, look and read. He has books. This boy says, he has books. And this boy says, she has a jug. Look at picture, a girl has a jug. Then boy says, she has a jug. The teacher has a ruler. I have also. The teacher has a ruler. Rita has a doll. Look at the picture. There is two girls. One girl say to Rita, Rita has a doll. Rita is sitting on the bed and she has a doll. Rita has a doll. Students, repeat this lesson with me. It's very interesting. The topic of this page is use of has and have, but we use here only has. We use has with he, she, it and singular nouns. Listen, look and read. He has books. He has books. She has a jug. She has a jug. The teacher has a ruler. The teacher has a ruler. Rita has a doll. Rita has a doll. Now open the page number 28. Are you ready for reading? Good. Open the page number 28 and topic of this page is use of have. Use of have. We use have with I, we, you, they and plural noun. We use have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. Now start reading, students. I have flowers. I have flowers. Students, we use has with he, she, it and singular. And we use noun have with I, we, you, they and plural nouns. I have flowers. You have a pencil. You have a pencil. A small boy has a pencil. You have a pencil. We have bags. Look at the picture. There is a two boys and both are going to school and they have bags. And this is we have bags. They have jugs. They have jugs. There are two girls and both girls have jug in their hand. So we say that they have jugs. I have flower. I have flower. You have pencil. We have bags. They have jugs. Students, we use in the page have. Just have, not has. We use has with he, she, it and singular. And we use have with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. I have flowers, you have a pencil, you have bag, we have bags, they have jugs. Now look at the below, there is an activity. It's your turn. Read the sentence and choose the correct answer. Students, read the sentences and choose the correct answer. Look at the picture. There is a dog. Dog. And sentences, dog dash a tail. Dog dash a tail. Dog is a singular. So use here has or have. Yes, tell me. What we use here? Have? No. Has? Yes. But why? Because dog is a singular and we use have. That's why. Dog has a tail. Take the has and write here. They. Look at the picture. There is a girl and one boy, one girl. They. So we say them they. They dash twice. They dash twice. Students, tell me what we use with they. Has or have? You know very well. We use have with I, we, you, they, and plural nouns. So there are two of one girl and one boy, and we say there. They dash twice. We use has. No. We use have. Yes, good. So tick on have and write here have. Students, it's very interesting activity. Do it and enjoy your life. Fi Amanillah.